Go.
I think they're cheating. They cheat. Ethan, I don't think you're supposed to go again once you went down, buddy.
What?
You cheated, buddy. Evan,
It's harder.
how'd you do? Did you win? Did you fall?
Yes.
Was it hard?
Yes.
Was it hard to run in the water?
Yes.
Yeah? Was it fun? Where do you think go? Uh-oh. You're supposed to run all the way into the deep water and run underwater and everything. Can you do that? No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You're silly.
Okay.
Love you.
Daddy said when you walk it, no.
Hey, Evan. I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.